Hey everyone, let's continue with our chart patterns, right? So the first chart pattern is double top or double bottom, or we can have what you call multiple doubles or multiple bottoms, right? So these chart patterns, as we said, they identify what we call explosive moves. After you identify, it should give you a good entry and a good exit, right? So what is a double top and a double bottom? So you can have multiple. So a double bottom, as you can see, there is a line here, right? So at $36.53, I don't think you can see, but you can see at this price, the price was railing up and it was bouncing at this price, bouncing. So it was touching this price, this concrete price or an exact price. It was touching it doubled. So the first it hit this, then it comes back, hit this, so it's touching this. So this shows that there is a chart pattern. You can see there is a pattern. The price is trying to force its up, trail up, but it's bouncing. So these chart patterns, it gives us a good entry and exit. So most of the time, as you can see, we are saying the prices, they are moving, railing up, bouncing. So they are bouncing, so it touches the first time, second time, right? So it gives you an opportunity to say, we always say here there's a resistance, right? Let me put a red pen. There's a resistance here, right? What do you call a resistance? As I explained, a resistance, there are more sellers, right, than buyers, right? So S greater than B, we are just saying more sellers than buyers. So if these buyers, they are forcing the price, but at this point we are seeing that there are more sellers, you don't want to buy, right? This is a good opportunity to say you should short, right? You should sell your orders, right? So you should place a sell order here. So if you get filled, right, you anticipate that the market will move downwards, right? So that's what we call a double top, because you can see it's on a top. So the question is, what is a double bottom? A double bottom is generally a reverse way where the market's railing, like touching this support line. It is support line, we always say there are more buyers than sellers, right? So you don't want to get caught by, now we are trying to find an opportunity to short. Yes, because it says that more people are saying this price should be pushed up. So you want to say, you want to place a buy order when it hits the next point, right? If it touches this, you want to place a buy order, because we believe this pair is being undervalued, right? So it should increase in value, right? So then got caught. So let's go to our chart on our trading view and illustrate what are we saying by these chart patterns. As you can see, you can see I've already drawn because of time. So there's a first touch here, first touch, second touch, third touch. So the first one, you can see there was a double top, right? So which means at the third time you should place a sell order. Then you get out on the next resistance line. Maybe on the next resistance line is on $1.78 72 cents, right? $78 and so forth, right? So it shows that these prices, they are trying to push this, but most of the time you see, as it touches more points, this line, most people or most books, they say this this resistance line will become a robust, it will become stronger, because most people are seeing this is a self-fulfilling philosophy, to say most people are saying that these prices, then they are bouncing on this line. So but in general case, it doesn't really work to say it becomes more robust, because at some point we say there will be breakout. So we don't need to place your orders on the 6th touches or 7th touches. Try to make sure that you count, let's count, you count the 4th, get in on the 4th or 3rd, right? Because 2, you don't want to get inside on the 2nd touch, because 2nd touch, it always confirm if there is a trend line, right? So the 1st touch and 2nd touch, you don't want to get in on the 3rd and 4th. Place your orders on the 3rd and 4th. I will repeat, 3rd and 4th, because in general case, you don't want to place on the 6th or 5th. You can place on the 5th if you are a aggressive person, but otherwise there will be a breakout at some point. This, what do we mean by breakout? These prices at some point they will break out, going in another direction, right? They will go in another direction, they will continue to move in another direction. So be very careful with these things. That's how this double bottom. There's also another example here. Let me check for another. Yeah, I think this one we've explained it. Is there another one? Yeah, I think that's it for now. Let's move on to another chart pattern.